êTRE, to be. In previous lessons, you learned how to say I am, je suis, you are, tu es, he is, il est, she is, elle est, we are, nous sommes. And in this lesson, we're going to learn how to say you are using the formal you, which is vous. So you are is vous êtes, vous êtes. Now again, this is the formal you, so you can be addressing one person. You can also be addressing more than one person. So vous can be singular or plural. Okay, so you are, vous êtes. Notice there's liaison. So vous êtes, normally we don't pronounce the S. Normally we just say vous. But because the vowel follows, we do pronounce the S. So you have vous êtes, vous êtes, vous êtes. Notice I'm not pronouncing this end at the end here of the verb form. So vous êtes, vous êtes, vous êtes. Okay, so you are, vous êtes. Let's review and apply what you've learned. To be êTRE, you are, vous êtes. Remember, pleasant is agréable. So if I want to tell one person using vous, you are pleasant, I would say vous êtes agréable. Vous êtes agréable. If I'm addressing more than one person, the adjective has to agree in number. We have to make the adjective plural, so we'll add an S. So if I'm addressing more than one person, I would say vous êtes agréable. Vous êtes agréable. Funny is drôle. So addressing one person, vous êtes drôle. If I'm addressing more than one person, I would say vous êtes drôle. Notice the pronunciation is the same. Optimistic, optimiste. Addressing one person, vous êtes optimiste. If I'm addressing more than one person, add the S, vous êtes optimiste. Pessimistic, pessimiste. If I'm addressing one person, vous êtes pessimiste. If I'm addressing more than one person, vous êtes pessimiste with the S. All right, well, that's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.